Hello friends, welcome to Manjusha channel. I wanted to share unique experience of camping. We visited vacation village in Sagamihara. It's 90 km far from Tokyo. And this is the camping place. And here is the beautiful view of river. So many campers are here. Weather was very hot, so everybody was enjoying in the river. Camping was Vihan's wish only, so he enjoyed a lot. There were many activities to enjoy whole day here. And here is our camping tent, and we are going to stay here tonight. After that, we had quick tour in a nearby village. And the village was very beautiful, calm and clean. Here we saw a small statue of Buddha. End of the day, we had barbecue and campfire. And this is the night view without a light. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.